About to do our first lesson, or my first lesson of the year, and then we're gonna go hit up this DIY spot and check that out and talk about circular rails. Let's do it.
1 hour later.
Just got done doing the lesson, and now we're gonna head over to this DIY skate spot. So we're gonna check that spot out. Be out of here. Made it to the sick DIY Philipsburg spot. Skaters are here.
Yeah, and the skaters were like, "Yo, what's up?" And they pretended like they knew me, but they were just kind of messing around with me. And then I just went along with it, and it was funny. And they're like, "Oh, we're just joking." And then it was cool because the one kid ended up being my friend, and then we competed together. It was so cool. So always talk to the locals. So the DIY skate parks tend to always be like rocky, and there's like chips in the ground. So I was just getting all the rocks, as you can see right here, out of the way, so I could skate this little hip thing. Test hit complete. Always try a small little trick to test the obstacle. This crazy circular rail had gnarly holes and chips in the ground. It made it so hard to land the trick. I had to kick some of the sediment out of the way to get that smooth landing. This is the Andy Anderson Maple skateboard deck. Click below, there'll be a video all about it. The key to landing this trick was be light on your feet. Absorb the grind, absorb the landing, and then really absorb that crusty landing all the way throughout the end. Hold it, bend those knees, absorb that landing. This feature was so awesome, the brick wedge, but you also had to watch out for that curb right in front of it after you do your trick. Doing the tray flip was all about getting the right timing to pop it at the apex of the cheese wedge. This place is being torn down for some guy's parking lot for his business, so rest in peace, Cherrybrook. Make sure you guys subscribe. Also, click on the top right screen there if you want to see the next video of how to rock the fakie with Cameron, one of my first students I ever had.